Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole Vane in Moonlight Beach Dental. Wanted to talk a little bit about guided biofilm removal and also the use of air abrasion in my office for doing tooth restorations. I love it for doing both. So the way we do guided biofilm removal in the office is I can use these different types of powders inside of this unit, and I load it with ozone water, and we can actually fine scale the inside underneath the gum line of the tooth to smoothen it so that the tissue reattaches better. The powders I use are also alkalinizing, so they'll kill any of the acidic bacteria. And it's actually my favorite tool for removing stain. There's so many things out in that we use as products or coffee or other habits too that can put stain on the teeth. It's really difficult to remove. So the way it works is we can use the disclosing solution, which is either the old purple or pink stuff that you used to have, or those tablets we chew at school that would dye all the biofilm hot pink. We can apply that to the tooth. And then what we use is this unit, and it's, as you can see, it literally blasts the powder onto the teeth in a really gentle way. I am so sensitive, and this did not hurt my teeth at all. So we can clean all the way around every single surface of the tooth, get all the stain off, get things perfectly pristine, and then rely on the alkalinizing element of this powder to keep the bad bacteria at bay. Love it for that. But what I also love it for is to use it instead of drilling. So on deeper areas underneath deep cavity, I can use it so I don't agitate the fracture, I don't go too deep. It's nice and cool so it doesn't overheat the tooth, which can be damaging to the pulp. And I always use this on cleaning out my restorations because it has the added benefit of increasing bond strength. So I get the best bond strength for your restoration, but also I know I'm not going to traumatize the tooth. So if you're interested in having biofilm removal or having air abrasion used in adhesion and also for removing cavities, then feel free to check us out here at Moonlight Beach Dental.